Fact 50. North Carolina is a state of three worlds: coastal plain, Piedmont, and mountains, a vertical mile from sea level to over 6,000 feet in a single day. Fact 49. Pamlico Sound is the largest lagoon on the U.S. Atlantic coast, a storm buffer and nursery powering fisheries across the mid-Atlantic. Fact 48. Off Cape Hatteras, the Gulf Stream collides with the Labrador Current, shifting diamond shoals and hiding over 2,000 shipwrecks, the graveyard of the Atlantic. Fact 47. The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse was moved 2,900 feet inland in 1999, a 4,800-ton brick giant that kept its beacon shining. Fact 46. Jockey's Ridge is the tallest natural dune system on the Atlantic coast, migrating up to 6 feet a year and swallowing what lies ahead. Fact 45. The Wright brothers chose Kill Devil Hills for steady winds, forgiving sand and dune launch ramps. Geography made flight possible. Fact 44. The Outer Banks won't sit still. Storms carve new inlets and erase old ones. Maps here have expiration dates. Fact 43. The hooked capes, Hatteras, Lookout, Fear, arc from longshore drift and offshore shoals like vast invisible tripwires. Fact 42. Spanish banker horses, Rome, Corolla, and Shackleford banks, adapted to salty grasses and storms on the islands. Fact 41. Lake Mattamuskeet is the state's largest natural lake, immense, shallow, and vital winter habitat, averaging under 3 feet deep. Fact 40. Tens of thousands of Carolina bays align NWSE, mysterious origins, unique ecosystems, and endemic waters at Lake Waccamaw. Fact 39. The Venus flytrap grows naturally only within about 75 miles of Wilmington. A nutrient-poor, fire-kept world turned carnivorous. Fact 38. Moccasins are peat-rich raised wetlands that can smolder underground for weeks. Fire shapes their shrubby wild character. Fact 37. Rare maritime forests, salt-pruned and wind-sculpted, survive behind high dunes at places like Nag's Head Woods and Buxton Woods. Fact 36. Beyond the shoals, the seafloor plunges into the Cape Fear submarine canyon, an upwelling engine feeding fisheries and whales. Fact 35. Albemarle Pamlico is America's second-largest estuarine system, a brackish inland sea and nursery for shrimp, menhaden, and striped bass. Fact 34. The Cape Fear River rises and ends within North Carolina, the only major river here that's entirely Tar Heel. Fact 33. The fall line, where hard Piedmont rock meets coastal sediments, drops rivers into rapids that powered mill towns and marked navigation limits. Fact 32. Piedmont monadnocks are erosion survivors, quartzite islands rising from a sea of rolling hills. Fact 31. The Uwharrie Mountains are ancient roots of a vanished range, geologic elders worn low by time. Fact 30. The isothermal belt near Tryon and Rutherfordton stays warmer on frosty nights, perfect for apples and grapes. Fact 29. The Eastern Continental Divide decides fates, east to the Atlantic, west to the Gulf via the Tennessee and Mississippi. Fact 28. The New River is among Earth's oldest, older than the Appalachians, stubbornly cutting north before the mountains rose. Fact 27. The French Broad runs north through Asheville, carving a broad valley that became the city's original front porch. Fact 26. In the southern Blue Ridge, rainfall tops 7,100 inches, a true temperate rainforest thriving on steep cloud-soaked slopes. Fact 25. Upper Whitewater Falls drops 401 feet, part of a river system that plunges nearly 800 feet off the Blue Ridge escarpment. Fact 24. Linville Gorge, the Grand Canyon of the East, carves 2,000 feet down through rugged, resistant rock. Fact 23. Grandfather's Mile-High Bridge spans an 80-foot chasm at 5,280 feet, an island of boreal life above the south. Fact 22. Beech Mountain is the highest incorporated town east of the Mississippi, winters like New England and North Carolina. Fact 21. Mount Mitchell, 6,684 feet, is the East's highest peak, a Canadian climate on a Carolina summit. Fact 20. The Blue Ridge Parkway is America's scenic spine, tunnels, viaducts, and overlooks engineered for non-stop mountain drama. Fact 19. Fontana Dam rises 480 feet, the tallest in the East, creating a vast remote reservoir along the Smokies. Fact 18. In Joyce-Kilmer, old-growth cove forests still stand, cathedral trunks, centuries-old giants spared by luck and distance. Fact 17. Elk returned to Cataloochee in 2001, thriving in secluded meadows framed by high ridges and cold streams. Fact 16. Chimney Rock, a granite spire above a rare low pass, overlooks the rocky Broad River's mountain corridor. Fact 15. Stone Mountain is a 600-foot granite dome, its layers peeling like onion skin under time and weather. Fact 14. The Carolina Tin Spodumene Belt hides major lithium, a green energy cornerstone born of ancient metamorphic heat. Fact 13. The Sandhills are fire-made, long-leaf pine savannas that the endangered red-cockaded woodpecker depends on. Fact 12. Pilot Mountain wears a quartzite cap, a pale stone lighthouse that resisted erosion while the Piedmont lowered. Fact 11. Asheville sits in a mini rain shadow. Mountains siphon moisture away, leaving the city drier than its high neighbors. Fact 10. The Blue Wall drops rivers into a waterfall alley. Ice Age floods and steep rock carve deep gorges and spray cliffs. Fact 9. The Mountains to Sea Trail runs 1,275 miles from high smoky summits to the Outer Banks, one path across 3 provinces. Fact 8. Pamlico Sound is so wide it feels like ocean, shallow wind-driven seas that demand respect. Fact 7. The Brown Mountain Lights, dancing orbs with theories from refracted headlights to geology's quiet electricity. Fact 6. Sliding Rock is nature's water slide, a polished granite ramp funneling you into a cold mountain pool. From shipwreck shoals to mile-high ice, this is a living map, America in miniature, forever on the move. Explore, measure, question. North Carolina's geography is your outdoor lab. What other facts did we miss? Leave your favorite North Carolina landform below, and keep learning. Subscribe for more geography in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. For